Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 6 best back and core exercises for lower back pain. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. How can lower back pain be relieved? You feel this pain every time you bend or stand. This is the pain that spreads throughout the lower back and other nerves, and some people think it never goes away. Sometimes called spondylosis. Lower back pain is one of the most common forms of chronic pain in adults. You may be lying down, hoping that back pain will improve. The only thing that it needs is time. But now, most doctors encourage these people to be active and move their back and related muscles for better treatment. Some movements can help reduce back pain, but only the proper moves can. Avoid exercises that put a lot of pressure and tension on the back. So what exercises should be chosen? In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 6 of these exercises. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. With the approval of your doctor, adding these movements to your daily routine can get you out of daily pain in the lower back and will improve your overall health. Here are some ways to treat lower back pain symptoms. Follow these instructions to do safe exercises. Number 6. Hamstring stretch. To do this stretch, you should bring your knees so close to your chest. To perform it properly, lie on your back. Place the soles of your feet on the floor and bend your knees. Pull the right leg towards the chest. Keep your left foot on the ground. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Meanwhile, be careful with your waist to be kept on the ground. Then, lower your right knee. Repeat this with the left foot. Repeat this exercise 2 to 4 times for each leg. Number 5. Pelvic shift. Lie on your back for a few pelvic shifts. Before your back pain causes you to twist because of the usual symptoms. This exercise is designed to strengthen the pelvis, which often works in coordination with the muscles along the spine. Ensuring proper abdominal functions means eliminating one of the reasons for possible lower back pain. Lie on your back and bend your knees. Place the soles of your feet on the floor. Bend your knees at a 90-degree angle, keep both knees together, and keep it in mind while you are doing this move, your knees shouldn't be separated. Then rotate your both knees to the right until your right knee touches the ground. Do the exact move for the left side. Perform this movement for 10 seconds and allow the inhalation and exhalation to be constant in the chest. Repeat this 8 to 12 times. Number 4. Bridge. Bridge movement has many benefits for easing lower back pain symptoms. This exercise helps strengthen the back muscles, such as the muscles behind the thighs, serine muscles, transverse muscles of the abdomen, and pelvis. This exercise is also directly involved in strengthening the back. Follow these steps to ensure a safe bridging exercise. Lie on your back, bend your knees, so that only the heels can be lifted. Your upper back should have contact with the ground. Raise the pelvis until the shoulders, hips, and knees are in a straight line. Hold for about 6 seconds. Slowly return the pelvis to the ground and rest for about 10 seconds. Repeat bridging 8 to 12 times. There are a few things to keep in mind when bridging. First, be careful not to bend your back when moving your pelvis up. Second, avoid excessive curvature. You can do this by holding the abdomen tight, before lifting and during it. Number 3. Bird dog exercise. This is a bird. This is a dog. No, this is a fitness exercise to reduce your lower back pain. A bird dog is a great way to learn to balance your back while moving your arms and legs. Are you asking how to do this move? Be patient for just a second. To do this amazing exercise, you should get started on all fours. Tighten the abdominal muscles. Lift one leg and open the back. Hold for 5 seconds. Now repeat with the other leg. Repeat 8 to 12 times for each leg. Do not allow the back muscles to deviate. Stay in this position, arms or legs above the waist tolerance level. Number 2. Aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercises strengthen the entire cardiovascular system, from the lungs and heart to the blood vessels. Aerobics can include cycling, swimming, walking, or many other exercises that raise your heart rate and keep you moving. To get started, try a short exercise. Then, over time, increase the length of the course as you get stronger. Because lower back pain sometimes requires special care, try swimming to treat the symptoms. In swimming, water bears the weight of the body and gives the spine and waist rest. Be careful to avoid any movement that requires the body to rotate so much. Generally speaking, aerobic exercises are light and do not put a lot of pressure on the joints and spine, but if you want to ensure which exercises are proper for your lower back pain, consult with your coach. Number 1. Pilates. Pilates is one of the best exercises you can do. A routine program that combines strengthening and stretching and focuses on the abdominal area, ideal for people suffering from lower back pain symptoms. Pilates largely avoids high impact, high power output, and heavy muscular and skeletal loading. You may think that Pilates exercises are so easy and do not have impacts on shaping and toning your body, but that's not true at all. Most Pilates exercises can be done without any equipment. With the help of an experienced trainer, Pilates can help many people with low back pain. Make sure the trainer is aware of your pain, as some movements may need to be removed. Having lower back pain is really annoying. It prevents you from doing your daily activity and it may get worse and worse if you neglect it. So when you feel chronic pain, pay attention to it because no pain occurs without reason. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.